Good morning, girls. Today we are going to see the rest part of the recruitment, then sources of recruitment. There are two sources of recruitment: internal sources and external sources. Internal sources. There are five types of internal sources. Internal sources in the organization itself we fill the vacancies. Internal sources, then present employee referrals, former employees, previous applicants. Present employee already in the organization itself, so fill that vacancy inside the organization with present employee to fill the already promotion, then give to from among the present employees in to motivate cheaper also. Okay, அப்போ present employee நம்ம என்ன பண்ணலாம், to give promotion இந்த மாதிரி fill பண்ணிக்கிறது, present employee யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கிறது. Then former employees is another source of applicants for vacancies to be filled up in the organization. The retired employees or retrenched employee may be interested to come back to the organization, means to fill to use that employee. Then employee reference friends already working in organization, means to refer another employee, family members or friends, relatives to the company as potential candidates for the vacancies to fill up in the organization. The last one, previous applicants, to receive the various resume in an organization. This is considered as internal source in the name of applicants from the potential candidate or already lying with the organization, already to received in an organization, to call that employee to fill that vacancies. Okay, so four types of sources internally we fill that vacancies in the organization. Use present employee reference, to employee reference, then former employees, then previous applicants. These are the four types. What are the merits for this doing internal sources? Then what are the merits? Then familiarity with the own employee. Then a familiar, already existing employee in the organization, means to use that employee, means familiar to familiar that work. Another one is better use of talent. Then employee is a talented person, means to use that employee